This is so like our very first day of school.
Except today, your mom isn't dragging you kicking and screaming.
Well, if she didn't want me to act up, she should let me wear my top hat.
LOL. JK. TTYL.
And there's the school prom queen. Hate her already.
OMG. I totally love your tie.
And I totally love you. Michael Davies, celebrity beat.
Amanda Pierce, fashion.
Obvious.
I know you think I'm the nerd girl, but my real name's Rebecca Harper. I cover student issues, peer pressure, students, teachers, parents.
No, Jackson, and I try to avoid all those things. I cover music.
Rebecca Harper and Noah Jackson. Dudes, I'm Wilder, gaming guy. Ow!
Attention me, everyone, attention me. I have an announcement. Now, we're all here because we're talented, mature people who know what they want. With that in mind, dibs on this table.
I never heard you say that we could find a way for so long, and I won't be waiting for years of hating. I never heard you say that we could find a way for so long, and I won't be waiting for years of hating. A hopeless romantic, just searching for the answer, not knowing if I can find another. I just wanna break out, something left to do without. You were better off going on way too long. Now I'm gone, don't know what to say, doesn't matter, break out, something left to do without. You were better off going on way too long. Now I'm gone, don't know what to say, doesn't matter anyway now. Something left to do without. You were better off going on way too long. Now I'm gone, don't know what to say.
Everybody in the boardroom now.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I didn't see you. I'm sorry. Did I say I was sorry?
I'm Teen Buzz's editor, DJ. I think of my job as part teacher, part mom, and part lion tamer. Okay, then. Well, I know you're all anxious to get started, but before that, I need to approve your story pitches. So why don't you guys get back to your desks and think of a title for your column? You can give it to me at the end of the day.
What? A title? She needs a title? She didn't say anything about a title. This wasn't in the introduction letter. This wasn't anywhere. This wasn't in the introduction letter. Is she always like this?
Yep. This is only first year.
What are we gonna do? A title for a column takes time. We can't be expected to come up with a name just like that.
Game on.
Name dropping.
Fashion forward.
Ear to the ground.
Important school things.
Nah.
Big deal. It's not like anyone needs it right now.
Name dropping with Michael Davies. Kelly Clarkson's manager? Please hold. Kelly Clarkson wants me to interview her. Oh man, what am I gonna do?
Say yes, you big doorknob.
Sorry about that. I had Jake Epstein on the other line. First off, I would like to say what an honor this is. Of course, I'll abide by any interview rules Kelly might have. And no questions about that TV show, got it, or her love life. And let Noah Jackson have the good desk. Can do. Wait a second. So it's gonna be like that, is it?
You take my desk, you pay the price.
Do you know who you just messed with?
Well, kid who has no idea how to get me back.
Exactly.
Nice one. Now that's a sandwich.
Wilder, I loved your pitch to review a game from when Buzz launched 20 years ago.
The idea came to me when I wondered what it would be like to review a game from when Buzz launched 20 years ago.
Yeah. Look what I found in storage.
What is it, a time machine?
Close. It's Football Fury, an actual video game from the 1980s.
Man, did people even have thumbs back then?
Very funny.
No way. I just lost to a video game from the 80s. That's like losing an arm wrestling match with my grandma, who's also in her 80s. Weird.
You go all the way to Italy for a wedding and they won't even let you take the centerpiece? Tacky. Let me call you back, hey? Nerve-wracking, huh? You tapping your pen like that? No, waiting for DJ to approve our story ideas. Sorry. I don't know why I'm nervous. I gave DJ 10 story ideas. She has to like one. You gave 10 pitches? I only gave one, and I thought of it this aft. Thank goodness I put it on pink paper and used a super cool font.
I've gone over your pitches, and I hate saying this, but you just didn't quite get what I was looking for.
Better luck next time.
Rebecca, don't worry. You'll get it, I know it. Amanda, good job, kiddo.
But I had 10 ideas and you only had one. What can I say? I was born to do this. This was going to be the best day ever. DJ is going to love all of my ideas. Later, I tossed my hat in the air with joy.
Boo-hoo and who again? You're not the only one whose hat remains untossed.
DJ rejected your story ideas too?
One of them, she loved the other one. I'm talking about the humiliation that Noah kid laid on me. Good thing I came up with the perfect revenge plot. Noah's gonna have to put these CDs back in the right cases before he can add in his reviews. I wish I could see the look on his face when he finds out.
I wish I could see the look on your face when he gives you a super wedgie.
He's coming! Quick! Go casual!
What's with your friend?
He's just acting casual.
Let the games begin.
Oh my, you smell like yesterday.
That's good, because I feel like last week. I've been up all night playing this stupid game. Don't bother. I couldn't even score one touchdown. Every time I got sacked. Every single time.
Yay! I got one of those touchdown thingies.
What? How did you do that?
I don't know. I must be good at everything.
Hey, I know you. You're that guy that works at Buzz.
And you're that guy who thinks Kelly Clarkson called him.
That's me. Guilty as charged. You know, you really got me good on that one. So did you listen to any CDs last night?
A few. Why?
Yes! That's one for my gold babies. I just pulled a prank of epic proportion.
Why can't you high-five yourself? Oh, wait, what am I thinking? Of course I can! Yeah! What are you talking about? You know the CDs? I put them in different jewel cases.
Tell me you didn't.
Oh, I'm dangerous.
I just turned in my reviews of those to DJ. Now I'm gonna trash a band I like and give a great review to one I didn't. You're about to learn what payback is all about, my friend.
Oh, this played out way better in my head.
Welcome to Media Studies. I'm Mr. Shepard. Now, you're either here because you're part of the Teen Buzz staff or because you flunked woodshop.
I'm here because of both.
Okay, let's get started with the basics.
Dude, I was playing that. I'll pick that up after class, Mr. Shepard.
Try after detention.
After detention it is.
Okay, who here can name the 5 W's of journalism? You, miss.
Pierce. Amanda Pierce.
You're Amanda Pierce? Looks like we have publishing royalty in class, guys.
No, we don't. I'm just your typical teen who wants teacher to move on and talk about the 5 W's.
Come on, don't be shy. Amanda's dad owns the conglomerate that publishes Teen Buzz.
I guess you were born to do this.
Tonight on Entertainment Wow, Teen Buzz Magazine hires a staff of young writers. Will Buzz stay in biz or will it fizz? Can this move save the troubled franchise?
Troubled franchise, what do they know?
Hey, Rebecca, what's up? Nothing really. It's just, how can I say this without sounding whiny? I don't think it's fair you rejected all my stories. They were good. They were really good. My Baba thought they were great.
I'm sure your Baba's a nice lady, but she's not our target audience, Rebecca.
Why is this so hard? I was gonna hit a home run. I can't even name my column.
When I joined Buzz, I was only a couple years older than you. Do you think I was a hit right out of the gate?
No, I guess not.
Well, actually, I was. But I was a bit of a whiz kid, which is why head office let me go back to my school and recruit students who would give this magazine what it needed.
Free labor?
No, the voice of a real teen.
And I'm not doing that?
Not yet.
Hey, you want the voice of a real teen? You'll get the voice of a real teen. Just watch me. That would have been so much cooler if I hadn't done that.
I'm an editor. Consider it cut.
Hey, Noah. Brought you a snack.
What is it?
Muffin tops. I ate all the bottoms because, well, nobody likes muffin bottoms.
Nobody likes half-eaten muffins either. You're still going down.
How is this different than what you did to me?
Because what I did to you only made you look like a goof. What you did to me could cost me this job.
All right, besides that, you have to admit the two are remarkably close.
Go away. I have to figure out how to get my review off DJ's desk, or it's goodbye interview with Billy Talent and hello woodshop.
The finger thing again. That never gets old.
Stop fake laughing.
Fine, I'll do anything.
Anything?
I hope you learned your lesson.
Actually, I didn't. You know what would really help me? If you took this game, put it in a box, then found an elephant, put him in a car, and get him to drive over that box.
What's going on, Wilder? Tell Mr. S. Maybe I can help.
I need help getting to the next level. I've mastered thousands of video games in my life, but this thing is basically 4 Christmas lights in a shoebox, and I can't get anywhere.
I could help you with that, but I find, Wilder, that sometimes when you're stuck on an assignment, it helps if you go away and work on another story. That way, when you come back, you'll have a fresh perspective.
You lost me at sometimes.
Noah Jackson, what's up? do kids still even say that?
I hope not. Are those all yours? Nice.
Oh, they're nothing really. You know, I hardly even remember what they're for. Hey, grubby paws. Get your fingerprints off of that. This is my mentoring award.
You're certainly my mentor.
Thank you, Noah. You know, I'm actually impressed with you. You know, I heard you were quite a bit of a wise guy and usually up to no good.
Me? No good? Those days are behind me. I'm all about Teen Buzz now. Well, that and the planet. Gotta save the planet. It's the only one we've got.
It certainly is.
Say, who's that a picture of?
Oh, that's Nellie Furtado.
She's got nothing on you. Ooh, and who's that handsome devil? I bet you have a crush on him.
That's my boss.
Well, he's got your beautiful eyes.
What's going on?
Oh, no! My, oh, my, this can't be.
Michael, care to explain?
I was trying to... He made me do it.
I have no idea what he's talking about. I just came to hand in my review on teen bands. Sorry it's late, but somehow all the CDs got mixed up. Thank goodness CDs are labeled and I can read.
Oh, no!
So what do you have to say for yourself?
Can you please stop me from spinning? I think I'm gonna be sick. Dude, hi. Bye. Hi. Bye.
Why can't I do this? Ugh.
Why can't I do this? Ugh. Have fun working. I'll be downstairs relaxing at the blurb.
Does your dad own the blurb, too?
No, he just owns this building.
Must be nice.
Just so you know, the final Teen Buzz position was down to you and some other girl. My dad couldn't decide, so he let me decide for him. I may be here because of my dad, but you may be here because of me.
Wow. I don't know what to say.
Don't say anything. Just help me show my dad that I picked the best journalist. Besides me.
Best? I can't even come up with the title for my column. Rebecca's fun feature. Hey, everybody, read Rebecca. Don't touch that dial, it's Rebecca.
The last one didn't even make sense. Look, you can do this. You're just trying too hard.
Rebecca Harper trying too hard. That's me in so many words. Yes! That's the name of my column, in so many words.
You're right. I was trying so hard, I forgot about the fun. I'll never try hard again.
Michael, where have you been? Hanging around?
If you must know as punishment, DJ made me organize her desk.
That's not so bad.
While I was dangling from the ceiling? I'm gonna get you for this. Oh no, what are you gonna do? Mix up my sock drawer? The horror, the horror!
Noah Jackson. Billy Talent, huh? Normally you should wait more than 2 seconds before you prank call someone. Hello, Mr. I'm So Lame. If you're from Billy Talent, why do you sound so lame? Is it because you're lame?
Hello. It's amazing the interviews you could set up while you're dangling above DJ's contact list and have a very persuasive phone voice. Oh, jeez. Yes! I've conquered the 80s. Watch your back, Grandma. You're on notice.
I never heard you say
Whoa, help me! Okay.
so long.
Why are you chasing me? Because my legs are headed in that direction. Enjoy.
I never heard you say that we can find a way.
It's good, but something's not quite right. Theme, check. Subtext, check. I know. Pink paper and a cool font.
How's it going?
See for yourself.
In so many words by Rebecca Harper. Article 1, taking the work out of homework. Here, I'll proof it. You know you love to over-punctuate.
And I'll look through some photo archives to see if we can find any cool images.
And I'll make the sound of a cheering crowd to pump us up. Dude, that's all I got. Yeah! You can go. You can do it.
Your story rocked. You did good, kid. Yes! Come on, I'll give you a lift home. Don't worry about it. I did the exact same thing my first week. Except mine was a cashmere hat, and I think it's still up there somewhere.
So I'd like to do a story on smart Alex and what makes them tick. Is it fear of rejection, insecurities, or are they just...
Bored by lame questions?
That's an amazing idea, Rebecca. And it seems that Noah has just volunteered to be your inside source to interview.
What? Wait, no, I didn't. Trust me, there's smarter Alex out there. Who am I kidding? There's not.
Okay, who else wants to pitch an article? That is not about the logo dance. Or the Loco Loco video game. Okay, Noah, what about your pitch? At least I know it's not gonna be about the Loco Loco.
Your smart aleck article starts now. In all this Loco Loco hubbub, there's one thing that everyone's forgetting. The parrot. Although some say he's a dim-witted bird who only squawks with Squawk 2, I'd say he'd make a great interview.
Dude, parrots are smart. I tried to teach my dog to talk for years, and I could barely say its name.
What was its name?
Rough.
Good one, Wilder. See, that's a joke.
No, that was his name. Man, I miss that little guy.
You know what, Noah? I think that'll be a great angle. I'm gonna go call the Birdman about Paco, and the rest of you guys get back to typey.
I thought you were joking.
So did I.
Do it. Clap your wings and do it like Paco. Do it. Come on, everybody, and do the Paco.
Hey,
Hey, nice tie.
thanks. Guess who just got a totally unsolicited compliment? Oh, I can't wait that long. Josh Phillips just said I had a nice tie.
That's great, Mikey. Uh-oh.
Wait, what do you mean, uh-oh? There's no uh-oh here.
Well, did he say, nice tie, or nice tie?
What's the difference?
Intonation. Like yesterday, when I told Rebecca I loved her overalls.
So you didn't actually love him?
Hated them. That's the beauty of intonation.
Never realized how hurtful nice tie could be.
Whoa, watch it there, buddy. Reading and walking can be very dangerous.
I like to think of it as an extreme sport.
Well, then you might consider a helmet. What are you working on there? A hot new article?
Nah, an English paper. I have to write an essay on my mentor, but I just found out it can't be on a video game character. Man, Colonel Squirrel never gets any cred.
Yeah, tough break. You know, you could pick someone that you spend time with every day.
I just said I can't pick video game characters.
Oh, no, I meant someone who isn't a part of the rodent militia. You know, someone maybe that you have had some help with on your writing, for instance.
Yeah, you're right. DJ would make an awesome mentor. Thanks!
Oh, right, yes, DJ. Right, not a bad choice. I mean, she's a smart, skillful, ambitious. Never met Tony Hawk, though.
What? You've met 11-time vertical boarding champ Tony Hawk.
Let's just say he wouldn't have made it past 6 if it wasn't for me.
Awestruck!
I guess some of my comedy influences would be Jim Carrey, Mike Myers, William Shatner.
I see. So, do you prefer to be called a smart aleck or a wise guy?
Who are you, my grandma? You have a way of taking the funny out of jokes.
What? I'm funny. I'm a barrel of monkeys.
Trust me, monkeys in a barrel, not that funny.
Journos, meet Poco the parrot.
I think I saw this cage on Cribs.
You did. And this is one cage that this bird is not to be let out of, okay? I am warning you two. This is one precious parrot. He eats Belgian crackers, drinks Italian water, and I think he's had plastic surgery.
Thought his beak was a little too round.
Did he just knock his water dripper out of his cage?
Freshie! Right. He does that every 20 minutes or so if you don't change his water. Now, you guys go get some towels and clean this up.
Nice tie? Nice tie. Nice tie. What did he mean?
If it makes you feel better, Mikey, I like your tie.
Who cares what you think? I need validation from people that matter. Complete strangers.
Okay, calm down and tell me exactly how he said nice tie.
Nice tie. That's what a smart alecks call the wisecrack.
There. That's exactly how he said it.
Josh Phillips hates your tie.
This is the worst day of my life. Okay, ollie into a 360, absolutely no bailing.
Wilder? What are you doing?
DJ, I know you said no skateboarding in the office, but it's for an article on office boarding.
Really? Well, let's have a look then.
Not yet. It's all in my head still.
My Mentor by Wilder. My Mentor.
Does that say my mentor? It should say my meteor.
Oh, okay. So you have to write about your mentor. Cool. Pick anybody yet?
Captain Argnog.
Mascot for Arg brand eggnog, spiciest in the Caribbean.
No, it's Captain Argnog.
I'm here for a photo shoot, but me be on the wrong floor.
Take this barge one league down and head hard to starboard.
Oh, I'm much obliged. If you've been eating anything eggnog related, well, don't be shy to ask. Arr.
I didn't know that you spoke pirate.
If I look better in an eye patch, I'd speak more often.
Okay, enough of this skullduggery. Who's your mentor?
Mr. Shepard.
What? Are you serious, Mr. Shepard?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I think Mr. Shepard is a great choice for a mentor. If you want to pick somebody who took the safe path. I mean, I think the most dangerous thing he ever did in life was carpool in college.
That sounds good. Can I use that?
Or you could use somebody who had to claw their way to the top, digging deep, going undercover.
Sounds even better. Can I use that?
Of course you can. Just meet me in my office at 5, and I will tell you the whole story.
Shiver me timbers. She's a scallywag if I ever saw one.
Arr, scallywag.
Don't open that cage. Weren't you there for DJ's Precious Parrot speech?
And weren't you there when I said no interfering? I want him to relax. First, before music, you had a film career. Why'd you feel the need to change mediums?
Crackers.
Ah, yes, the crackers. You know, I heard Avril Lavigne's in music for the same reason.
Hack.
Did he just call you a hack?
I think he said heck.
Shut it, bird brain.
You know, I don't think that language is necessary.
Bird brain says what?
What?
Ha, bird brain.
I'm a bird brain? Look who's talking.
You're losing a battle of wits to a parrot. Nice one, wise guy.
Hello, Grandma. Hello, Grandma.
Grandma, you better watch it, else you'll be a part of a 2-piece snack pack.
Look, but don't look. Josh is standing right behind us.
The guy in the cap, blue cut jeans, and forescreen hoodie.
Wow, you are the look but don't look champion. I need you to ask him about my tie. I have to know if he really didn't like it.
Fine. Anything to make you stop talking about it. But if I'm gonna find out if he's being sincere, I'll need to assess his fashion sense. Alone.
Hi, I'm Amanda. What do you think of that guy's tie? Who, Michael Davies? I don't think there's a tie he can't pull off. His fashion sense is only rivaled by his wit. I'm amazed he's still in our grade. So did you tell my mother didn't want me to skip a grade because of my height?
I'd ask what you were talking about, but I don't have the time. Josh invited me to go to the mall.
Wait. What about my tie?
Oh, right. Forgot to ask. I'll pick one for you at the mall. TTYL.
And that is the secret to whoopee cushions.
So, what advice would you have for anyone wanting to become a smart aleck?
You can't just become a smart aleck, It's something you're born with.
Nobody's born a smart aleck. It isn't in your DNA, unless DNA means desperately needing attention. Get it? It's a genetics joke.
See, that's exactly why you can never be a smart aleck.
I could too.
Not a chance, not a chance.
Finally, the bird makes sense. You can never become a smart aleck. You're too nice. Smart alecks need to be risk takers.
I'm a risk taker. Look at me, look at me. I'm Rebecca Harper, and I'm running with scissors. Something everybody knows you should never, ever do.
They're safety scissors.
You're gonna have to do a lot better than that.
Okay. How about this? I'm gonna open the parrot's cage and take him out. Shoo, bird, fly away, fly away.
We're in an enclosed office. Besides, do parrots even fly?
Ah, hoy, Sprugs! 'Twas a jolly good read. It was. Bye-bye, birdie.
Look at that. They do fly.
Why didn't Captain Arknog hold the elevator?
Because pirates are rude. It's part of their whole pillaging persona.
Do it. Gigi's gonna go local. She finds out.
Hey, stress ball, relax. What you're about to witness is the greatest skill of the smart aleck.
The apology?
No, the cover-up. Let's go.
Do it, squawk, do it. So, how's my little superstar doing?
Fine. How are things?
Fine. So, did you say the loco? Yeah.
Shh. Poco's having a little nap.
Nappy time.
Well, this is gonna be a little embarrassing, but I was wondering if you would take a picture of Poco and me. You know, just so people believe that I met him.
Squawk!
He gets grumpy when he's tired.
Grumpy boy. Ow!
I guess it's for the best. Poco's already seen me in this outfit.
She's gone. Let's go find him.
Squawk! Ow. Oy vey.
Where did you get that thing, and why are you wearing it?
It was in the Lost and Found. I need to know what Josh thinks of it. If he says this thing is nice, then we'll know he was being sarcastic.
Well, at least you're not obsessing. I can't look at that tie anymore. It's giving my eyes a headache.
Oh, sorry about that, me bucko. 'Tis me third tie today.
Hey, man. Nice knot. Thanks.
So?
He said nice knot.
Oh, well, was it nice knot or nice knot?
I have no idea.
Hey, DJ, I finally figured out that smell come from my... Oh.
Mind explaining to us why we both think that we're your mentors?
Because I'm not smart enough to deceive both you?
Okay, Wilder, you're gonna have to make a decision. But we're gonna make it easy on you.
This is such a relief. You guys don't realize how hard this has been on old Wilder.
Just point to the one that you want.
What?
I can teach you to write a sentence without using an emoticon.
And I can make you the greatest emoticon user of all time.
Your next essay can be on Colonel Squirrel.
Office boarding 24/7.
Barefoot Fridays.
Your own private sandwich bar.
Mondays are gonna eat macaroni and cheese, and Tuesdays are gonna be on the
Stop! This mentoring is hurting my tummy.
Perhaps we handled that poorly.
You think, Mr. Barefoot Fridays?
I got nothing.
Poco, here, Poco.
What's with the knot?
Got swashbuckled.
I'm sure it happens all the time. Have you seen a parrot?
Poco? No, a different parrot.
Nice, good use of sarcasm.
I'd love to help Rebecca, but I've got other very important business to attend to.
Business? He has to find out if a boy he hardly knows thought his tie was cool.
Look, over there.
That the same parrot?
No, it's a different pirate.
You can't use the same joke back to back.
Well, then you people are going to have to stop asking stupid questions back to back.
Excuse me, Captain.
Aye.
Do you know that parrot you were hanging around with?
Where did he go?
The wretch ye seek is across the street sitting on me Captain Argnog billboard. 'Tis the spiciest in the Caribbean.
He got out? Arg!
Arg.
Come on. Michael, why can't you just let this go?
It's too late for letting go. I have to know what Josh thought of my tie. And the only way to do that is to go all the way. What do you think?
That is beyond all the way. We passed all the way as soon as we got to Eye Patch Town.
Huh?
It's tacky and awful. It's toffle.
That's not a word.
It is now. Trust me.
No way.
Trust me.
Hey, Josh.
Look, it's Argnog's first mate, our geek. What happened? You used to be the coolest dresser around.
So I guess he really did mean nice tie.
Yeah, I thought that all along.
Well, at least I didn't look stupid.
Yeah. Back to the bathroom, Sharkbait.
Hey, Walter. We wanted to apologize about coming in a little strong earlier.
A little strong? You were 2 seconds away from arm wrestling. Which actually would have been pretty cool.
Well, either way, we are sorry. Okay, we were so interested in being your mentors that we actually ended up becoming bad ones.
Right, so pick whoever you want. Shepard, me, or even both of us. I mean, there's no rule saying you can't have 2 mentors.
No, no rule at all.
It's awesome. You guys have chilled, but I already found someone.
You did?
I just thought to myself, what kind of dude do I want to see in the mirror when I'm older? And all was revealed.
Climb aboard me, pirate apprentice.
Fare thee well, landlubbers.
Arr.
I cannot believe we lost to a mascot that sells eggnog.
Well, it is the spiciest in the Caribbean.
He's still on the billboard.
Well, say if he did escape, what would lure him back? No, he didn't escape. It's for the interview. Yeah, he called me a bird brain too. Thanks, that's perfect.
So what'd he say?
Get this, for the music video, Poco is trained to fly to anyone doing the loco. So all you have to do is dance, and this will all be over.
No, all you have to do is dance.
You wanted to learn what makes a smart aleck tick. Well, one thing is to never do anything that is not cool, so you're dancing.
Fine, but only if you promise to never make fun of my loco again.
I can't do that.
Fine.
All right. I promise to never diss the Birdmen, their music, or any merchandise connected to them in any way.
Good, but I can't dance unless someone sings the loco.
There is no way I'm singing that song.
Noah, Rebecca, it's time to get Poco home.
Do it, do loco. Flap your wings and do it like Poco. Do it, do loco. Come on, everybody, and do loco.
It's working, he's coming.
Wait, the window.
Maybe he's trying the front doors?
Poco's gonna sue.
I have to take care of this feather duster for 2 weeks. I thought he had to tour.
Yeah, well, his agent was asking for too much money, so they're dropping him for a kung fu fighting chimp.
Sounds like your next exclusive.
Ice pack time, bird brain.
DJ, Captain Argnog signed a photo of himself for you.
Oh, thanks, Walter.
That's it. I'm never caring about what anybody says about my clothes again.
Good for you, Mikey.
Nice hat.
Thanks. Hey.
Nice hat. Not.